Your journey to Australia and New Zealand starts right here. If you've tried to research the emigration process yourself, you might have felt a little overwhelmed. There's a minefield of information online, and you can be left with more questions you had before you started. Come to our Australia and New Zealand migration workshop, where you'll find all the answers in one place. At our migration workshop, you'll hear presentations from visa experts and migration experts. It's a meet and greet where you'll learn about how to get through your English tests, what you need for a visa skills assessment, and how to find your dream job. This family-friendly event will also feature a children's Q&A where children can have the opportunity to ask, what's life like growing up in Australia and New Zealand? There's a bar to share a bevy with like-minded future expats, and a children's corner so the children can chill and relax. So where the bloody hell are ya? Buy your ticket today and make that dream a reality.